Zack with FTx here, and today we're continuing our series on Altria's 2026 Digital Trade Program. So this session is a fun one. The incentives, aka what do retailers get for participating? And once again, I'm bringing in a ringer to help out, Mike. So Mike manages our sales team here at FTx and is our in-house expert on all things DTP. Mike, welcome.
Thanks for having me in, Zach. Excited to talk about Altria's new programs.
Yeah, so today is the fun stuff, incentives. So retailers are being asked to do a lot. What's in it for them?
Their customers get exclusive pricing, but there's also pretty big incentives and payments that they can get from Altria for doing different actions and ways of engaging with their customers.
Yeah, and I know there's a laundry list of them, so let's just talk through a few of them.
Sure.
From what I understand, you have your base scan data, and then you have scan data maintenance. So what's the difference in those two?
So they actually come together sort of as a pair. Even at the lowest tier, that's a tier 1 incentive, and the maintenance incentive is to guarantee a certain amount per month or per quarter per location that participates. The base incentive is, consider that the smallest incentive that Altria pays on a sale.
Gotcha. And then moving on, there's the business enhancement funds, which, if I'm not mistaken, are consumer-based discounts, correct?
Correct, yeah. So think of that as, in the most simple terms, that's a product discount for customers, something that's exclusive that your competition is not going to be able to have.
And so what are some of the other incentives across the board?
Well, at tier 4, at the highest level, they've got the Digital Accelerator Fund. That's a really big one because it's all about being able to grow the brand. You get to give extra discounts to your customers and reinvest in marketing for growing more market share and improving and making more sales.
And those are different than the digital store funds?
And those are actually different. And a lot of merchants, depending on the region, are gonna have to choose between which program they wanna enroll in. So there'll be a lot of particulars between the LFP or the digital coupon program, and they'll have to really analyze to see which is best for them.
Sure. And now I know at one point in time, Altria was doing some subsidizing to help customers navigate or move from tier 2 to tier 3. Is that still on the table?
It absolutely is, just depending on the regions. So merchants would have to check with their reps, but I know that they're still doing subsidizing for new stores that are adding these digital services, because remember, you have to get a loyalty program to do this.
And loyalty costs money, so they recognize that, so they're helping subsidize the merchant then.
And that's what it's all about, trying to make it a little bit easier for upgrading your systems at your store and offering those loyalty programs to your customers.
And obviously there's no way we can know how much a particular retailer stands to gain with Altria, because it really depends on, the tier they end up in, the region they're in, their standing with Altria and all that. However, it is worth pursuing.
It's absolutely worth pursuing nationwide. And yeah, like you said, a lot of the offers will vary region by region, sometimes even state by state, but you can get all of that from your local Altria rep.
Well, that wraps up this session. I hope this is opening your eyes to all the incentives being offered by Altria.
And how FTx can help ensure that you get your share.
Thanks again for Mike helping us out today. It's always great to have him here, as he's a great source of knowledge. So to learn more about FTx, what do they need to do?
Well, they could check us out at goftx.com, or they can give me a call at 845-719-3550.
Thanks again. And until next time, take care. Hey guys, quick note. This video series is based on our understanding of Altria's 2026 Digital Trade Program. Sometimes things can and do change, so you need to make sure you check with your Altria rep to ensure your compliance with their guidelines. Thanks.